Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to automate tasks using ADB commands to make your Android experience faster and more efficient. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up ADB. Before we begin, make sure that ADB is installed and added to your system path. USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. Your phone is connected to the PC via USB and recognized by ADB. To verify your device is detected, open Command Prompt and type tmad ADB devices. If your device appears in the list, you're ready to go. Step 2. Automate common tasks. 1. Open an app automatically. To launch an app without touching your phone, use keymad ADB shell monkey-p com.android.chrome, see android.intent.category.launcher1. Replace com.android.chrome with the package name of any app you want to launch. 2. Take a screenshot at set intervals. To automate taking screenshots every few seconds, use a loop command. Command for /l send x in 102, do ADB shell screencap-p s/screenshot and timeouts t5. This will take a screenshot every soft 5 seconds until manually stopped. Automate file transfers. To push a file from your PC to your phone at regular intervals, use keymad for cell x and do ADB push cjbanmo desktop des.txt/dcard and timeout t10. This transfers the file every 10 seconds until stopped. Schedule a device reboot. To reboot your phone automatically at a specific time, use Task Scheduler on Windows with this command, command ADB reboot. This ensures your phone restarts without manual input. And that's how you automate tasks using ADB commands. With just a few scripts, you can control your phone hands-free and boost productivity. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful ADB tricks. See you in the next one.